What's up, my beautiful dudes and dudettes? So, in this, I'm gonna start off with something amazing. Boom! Yes, all 12 packs are bought and ready to open. And as you can see, I cannot get them ever again. So, without further ado, let's see how much we can get. I'm just trying to get the mill course. Scars and VSS's tech. I already have the tactical book bag, but more would be so delightful. Let's get into it. M16. Okay. Nope. No extremely rare item yet. I don't think we're going to get one. Oh, we got a VSS. Let's go. Hey, Melkor. Trying to open up my... Yeah, let's get it. I'm sorry I'm so sick, so my voice sounds a little different. Are we going to get any tactical book bags in case I die? As you know, the dungeons, it's not like Frostborn. You can get your stuff back if you die from one of the areas in Frostborn, if there's still a player in that area. So if you end up dying in the dungeon in Frostborn, be smart enough and keep one of the enemy players alive so you can always go back, kill them, and get your stuff back. But if you die in one of the areas here, in the dungeons, in the basements, and Last on Earth, you can't get your stuff back. That's why I'm hoping that tactical book bag is gonna... No! Okay, but we got a lot for guns to shred through. I don't even know what I was doing last time I played. I'm pretty sure I was probably goofing around somewhere. We're gonna take a shower so we can smell all nice and clean. You should already know what we have in store for you today. Frostborn video is uploaded. As you can see, it's not loading. Jurassic survival video, it wouldn't let me post it on YouTube, and I don't know why. I guess Jurassic survival doesn't like me. I'm taking all these beauties over there. And then I'm gonna be opening more crates. You know I'm taking this off anyways. What up? Because I forgot what I was doing with that tactical armor, but I know I was probably giving zombies mischief and more depression. Do I have a free slot to put pants here? Yes. But since I'm already on my base anyways, let me do this. You don't know, I do have a new description for my live videos on my YouTube description. I'm going to start screaming every day because this is the last day of school for me. And hopefully I won't to deal with that anymore. But you know, sometimes things don't work out. But I'm pretty sure I'll pass with flying colors. Sorry, this video is probably going on the later side because I was slumped last night. I'm not gonna lie to you. Like last night, yeah, that was kind of a sleep day for your boy. But hopefully things are going to turn out good near the future. And Frostborn, I did get some notes because the video is mainly about me clearing thy dungeon by myself. Because I need the nails anyways. So it didn't really bother me, to be honest. But let's go put this coal away. I am also going to start up with my Dawn of Zombies yet again. And that is it. And before I forget, let's go check that radio before I go all the way to the bunker and I don't have the code. And then everything messes up and I'm just going to be happy. We also have the dealer that we can go. 10 bandages, 2 first aid. That's not that bad. This the bunker code 52259 will be today's bunker code, and I always put it in the chat. Now let's go do this. Who wants 2 first aid kits? I'll have a stack anyways. So let's just get these 10 bandages. I don't really like giving bandages, to be honest. Actually, I'm just going to do that. So I have to waste the ones that's on my body right now. Oh yeah, all this stuff I try to find the devilish basements, and surprisingly, it didn't go so well. So, and I will need some melee weapons because I am doing the police department. Actually, I won't, because I'm not actually going to be clearing it. Let's grab that, let's grab that, and let's grab that. Why? Because I need a granada. Did I have any tickets in here? Yes, I did. Mister, trying to give me that X. Let's get it. Let me watch this and I'll catch you in a sec. But my pockets are screaming, help me right now. Because along with what I bought in the game and along with my expenses, they're kind of screaming. I'm not saying I'm broke. I'm just saying they're crying right now. A cryful death. Please don't be in the middle of nowhere, and you gotta be in the middle of nowhere. Okay. It doesn't let me. Real survivors eat jockey. But this will be so amazing to go through. And not to mention 2 scars. A VSS, Barrel Core, and some other good stuff. Hopefully I can figure out the reason why YouTube won't let me post Jurassic Survival. But if I can't, then I guess episodes will not be played there. I was hoping I could, but you gonna give me a gun? Oh, that's a weapon crate. I forgot. I keep farming those. So that will not be open. Mr. Bike. Keep that in. Let's head over to thy bunker And hopefully it won't be depressing like it is most of the time. Yeah, that's a lot of energy to shred through. I ain't gonna focus on building one trunk though. That trunk will be nothing but the weapon crates, and then I will do a big unboxing of a full trunk of weapon crates. And hopefully it'll be the best unboxing that will be possible. Sadly, no tactical backpacks. I got out of the packs, but hopefully that helped you guys on seeing if buying all 12 of them will help you out in the long run. If not, I'm sorry. I brought depression to your eyes. But we also have a finger to open, and we also have this bad boy to open. And this bad boy and some red tickets that are not anywhere near to open the red ticket crate. But I got a good couple of guns that are left in my inbox. So hopefully it'll go good. If not, then you know. Our favorite motto, YOLO. I always pick the least durability armor too. And then, actually, I forgot that one. The yellow crate does give me a whole tactical set. So, I'm going to shred through it. So, I'm not lying about bunker code 52259. Did I put it right? Yes, I did, lads. Shall we open the gateway to hell? Yes, we shall. But I almost have my second mod for thy bat. Sadly, it decreases the speed, but it brings the durability up by 3. And that saves on my weapons. My melee weapons. The gun mods are kind of going slow because of factory parts and stuff like that. But hopefully it'll go good. If not, then you already know. Yellow is the key to victory. Hello. Don't mind me. I'm just a pass by. To your death. My buddy here loves meeting me. He always runs after me. That's how I know he loves me. He loves me. He can say he doesn't, but I know he does. This one doesn't like me too much because he always faces away from me. Open 1. Open 2. And here's the thing with sneaking these 2 guys. Do not sneak that guy. Or try to get his attention because it will get both of their attention. Bring pain to him first. Then bring pain to him. What we gonna get? Oh, we got a Glock. Let's fucking get it. and 16. I'll take it. I'll be also taking, because my N16s, I don't have any mods for them for the time being. We got some awesome stuff. I have too much of that stuff. We're gonna grab the springs. Without further ado, let's get the bad boy in. Let's open this. Eat some jockey. And grab some of this goodies. And let me represent to you, Mr. Viewers, to our coordinates are in. Hey, my guy. I don't like him. He beats me. That's why I never give him those blueprints, because maybe one day Kefir will do a little thing that the blueprints will be able to get you melee weapons or guns. So that is why I never turned them into him. But I will be shredding through some weapons. Yes, it pains my heart a lot. Oh yeah, I forgot to turn on Helm mode. That would have been a bad doozer to not do, because I would have went to that door for no reason. Let's get it down. Oh yeah, before I forget, because I'm too lazy to go back to actually grab them. And just in case I don't have enough inventory, let's put that and that and that. Let's get it done. As you know, we always kill the big one. As you know, I don't do bunker anymore for the time being because I have too much tickets. It's a good way to stock up on armor, because every yellow ticket crate you open, you get tactical set. Every green ticket you open, you get the survivor set. Every red crate you open, you have a chance to get 2 full tactical sets or 1 tactical set and 1 SWAT set. But hopefully I can figure out what is the issue with... Wait, didn't I get a gun from... I thought I did. I guess I was bamboozled. Don't hurt me. Hey, you dropped something. I don't want that. Well, beggars can't be choosers. Am I right? I'll take those beans, though. I'll probably have to equip that. Just explode already. There you go. Making sure none of his posse came out after me. Now, Mr. Torrent. It's time, just in case the turret shoots at me. It's time the turret dies. By the way, I kind of think this is just me, or, like, did they lower the range on the N16s? Because as you can see, that guy looks like he should be in range to die. But I can't shoot him. Don't know why. Never sleep on these AKs. I say that almost every time. AK-47s, get my approval every time. Just look at the damage it be doing. All they're coming out is with these little stupid things. I don't want stupid things. I want rare things. I want things to make me feel good when I go to sleep at night. I also need two C4s anyway, so, you know. It's the blind one. I have come for your head. Wait, there was something else. Oh yeah, the news section. And also the ATV has changed. But yeah, I can't buy anymore. I think it's stupid. I mean, I got a mail core, as you're seeing right there, plus a VSS. So, I'm not gonna complain. I'm just gonna go with the flow. My health is kinda on the low side. But I'm killing thy blind one, as you know. We're tactical armor because he will do a total of 100 damage to you first aid kit. It will heal you of 100 health. So you'll be using the best out of them. Don't get hit by a charging attack. It'll kill you in one shot even if you have SWAT armor on. And 5 shots without any mods on the shotgun because you won't be able to get a 6. If you have the big ammo plus, well, let me start out. If you have the speed reloader, you'll be able to get that 6 shot on. I haven't heard of anyone getting a 7th shot on him, but there has been people in other YouTubers live streams that they've been able to get a 7th shot and even an 8th shot, which I don't think is actually possible. And only shoot him when he hits the wall, because when he isn't hitting the wall, he has high damage. He even has high damage after he hits the wall. As you can see, 7. As you see, when he hits the wall, shotguns do 25 damage. I mean, the original damage of a shotgun is 70, but he still has defense. But this is the best way to take him out. Miniguns, I think, is almost the most productive way to kill him. And always hit that when he's eating. Don't hit it too early or too late, because if you do, he'll keep healing. But, like I was saying, if you have the speed reloader, you'll be able to get 5 shots on him. I mean, like 6 shots. If you have big ammo and a critical damage one, you'll actually be going home with the shotgun. It'll only take a shotgun to kill him, and if you have all those mods, you'll leave with that same shotgun. So it did take 8 because my weapon broke, so I couldn't get that final hit on him. But I'm not gonna worry about that. Bye-bye. Like I was saying, you'll leave with a shotgun if you have the mods. If you don't, then you're right now. You'll be breaking a shotgun. But let's head over to thy Blackport PD. Don't hit me. Okay, it didn't hit me. I would take out Mr. Frenzy Giant, but I don't have the weapons to do that. So, Frenzy Giant, you get to live another day. You don't get to die by my hand. I'm hoping I get some factory parts, because if I get some, I can actually make some mods. Like, finalizing making mods. Time to put on this Weaker set. Put these first aids into play right there. Like I said, why he beat you. Watch this. Watch this. No difference. No difference. And again, no difference. But I have some stuff to put away, so I'll see you at Mr. PD. Okay, so I did have enough energy to get there because I don't really like watching ads on video. And I really don't like wasting my coinage, because I could have bought a good amount of coins. But I decided to go with that. And it's in the middle. It's all the way over there too. What? This is all I'm gonna need for the police department. Because hopefully it's not saddening. Now I said hopefully, which means I feel like it's gonna be sad. Maybe it'll not be sad and it'll be happy. It'll make me a happy camper. If it's not, then it's whatever. But as you know, I didn't go live today because I was exhausted. Last day. Last day, my guys, I have to 12 o'clock to finish my class. It should be finished by 12 o'clock. Hello, my least favorite place. How is your day going? Hi, I love him. He always says hi back. Boom, 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 boom. And now, let's kill some of them. Hit this sneak skill. I appreciate that. Now, if you sneak at the right moment, you can sneak attack this guy. There we go. And that's another grand badge. Give me my grand badge. Alright, now let me get my Granada. Please and thank you. Granada, 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 Granada. Let's get it. I'm also taking the SWAT helmet, because I don't like leaving SWAT helmets. Now, let's see what's in, of course, that mod that I already have. I'm not going to hate on it, but let's put that up in there. A mod I already have. Ooh, batteries. Always good to farm for them. Factory parts. Oh, a new VSF mod. I'll just put stuff up that I don't really need. So that's probably the food. That's one badge. I'm not gonna need one badge. Another one. Another V. Another mod I already have. It's starting to seem a little depressing. Ooh, that camera's gonna have to go. Ooh, let's get it. Another mod. This thing, I will never hate on these mods. And that is 5 of those. I do need to put those bolts up in there. Let's grab my melee weapon. I didn't leave any melee. Yes, there's a melee weapon that I need that I can't grab. Don't you need? No, you don't need another one of those. Huh. Okay. I'm gonna have to say bye to that warrior. Now, I will head over to the floppy disk location. I'll see you in a sec. Okay, we are back at the base, and here you can see the new ATV look. But enough of that look, because I have a bike event to go to. Because for some odd reason, bike events just love messing up the fun. I need ice shirt. I really don't have that much time to waste, so I'm not even going to try to put that away. And let's go grab some water. Bike events. I will need water, and I am grabbing this helmet. Let's go kill them, shall we? I have to put away something, so that's why I'm driving recklessly right now. Hopefully it's a good bike event and it's not a dumb one. Alright, I have the weaponry to do this. So let's get into it. Oh, it's this one. Yeah, you're not anything. I'm sorry. Hey. I kinda don't need that helmet. All this stuff is like beat down. Like they got jumped. This stuff I probably won't need anyways. Tactical book bag, I already have it, so I'm not taking theirs. Now if they had a tactical book bag, oh, I would love to take it. None of them had water, so I don't even know if I'll be able to take all this. Oh, I have water. I honestly forgot that I grabbed the water from one of my chests. Oh, another crate. Okay. That is all there is to this event. So, while I put this stuff away, I'll see you at the floppy disk drop. Okay, so we are on our way to the coordinates north 50.01061 at ETH negative 110.1134. Oh, give me my C4 VSS Scar, you know. If not, let me get a meal core. A Glock, AK-47. Don't give me no M16. Or shotgun. You can't go wrong with no shotgun now. You know, shotguns are life. Ooh, that one did 74. And I got a puppy. Oof. I wonder what's in here. Gimme. Let's freaking go. I got a minigun, my 2C4s that I needed. Motorcycle. I don't really care about. Can I take everything? No. Okay, so time to upload some stuff in me chopper. Definitely. Definitely. And a puppy. It's a shepherd puppy, but hey. I'm gonna take what I can get. I didn't mean to do that. And then I'm just gonna put these first aid kits there. And these SWAT pants are broken. Nice. How much stuff do I have in my chopper? Okay. I don't really need rope, so you know. This is what we got. Was it worth it? I mean, it's a minigun, 2C4s, but... And all that was taken away? I don't think so. No. I just want to gather around, gather around. Can you catch up to me? Hit denied. But that'll be an end to this video of last night. Kinda didn't mean to do that. But let me know how your floppy dislocations are doing. Are you getting an infected box before you hit level 15? Because I have yet to get one and I really want one. I mean, I only need 2 of those digital things to finish my acid bath. Only 2. So it's coming very close to being finished. Let me know that. Let me know how your helmet is doing. Are you getting the pieces for your chopper part? Open the red box, getting the gas tank, the handlebar, which means it's called the chopper fork. But let me know if you're assembling your chopper, going to those bike events, building that generator, opening Mr. Watchtower, to opening the 2 winter zones and the 2 oak zones. I mean, there's this oak clearing event, but it's really not worth doing. Building up your guns, hitting that Blackport Police Department, opening those purple crates, getting those active skill mods. By the way, green badges are always the best to open because do not turn them into blue badges, because out of 10 green badges you can get 10 guns. And 1 blue badge, which, as you know, 10 green badges equals 1 blue badge, 1 blue badge. You only get 2 guns. So, to me, it's not worth it. And let me know how your bike event is going. Always go to the bike event because you get guns there. Some other resources, aluminum bars, gas, and all that good stuff. But that'll be it. Please remember to like, subscribe, because it helps me out to hit my goal of 50 or 100 by the end of this year. I know I'm not going to hit 1,000. 1,000 would be awesome hit by the end of this year, because that'll make me an official YouTuber. And turn on notifications because I post daily. Frostborn, Last on Earth, trying to do Jurassic survival, but I don't think it's going to work out. Frostborn videos are pre-recorded every day. because I mainly focus on Last on Earth, and if I pre-record on Frostborn, then I won't have to worry about forgetting to do that. Let me know all that stuff and put all that down in the comments down below. And have a nice day. And I'll see you in the next video. Peace out. I will also probably be live streaming today because I'm going to have to, because I'm going to be so happy when I'm done with my class. But have a nice day, and I'll catch you later.